stream the language.
You know, we've all probably at one point, whether we're sneaking up on a squirrel or crawling up the field on, you know, trying to get close to a turkey to see if one's out there, or watching deer. You know, many times if a deer hears something, they're gonna stop and they're gonna look, try to see what that was. So if you're getting close to a spot and you're trying to sneak in and you do break a stick, just stop and just stand there, because think about that deer lifting its head up looking and, okay, nothing wrong, and they go back to feeding. So if you're trying to sneak in there and you make a noise, just stop, have patience, wait 20 seconds, 30, 40 seconds, and just take your time, and many times that'll help if you just keep on going once they're alert.